Hello guys! Welcome back dito sa akin channel. I'm Julius and I'm an ordinary runner and trying to make extraordinary experience through running, and hopefully can inspire others as well to do the same and create their own journey. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin is ano-ano yung mga benefits ng trail running. Okay? So, bibigay ako ng example sa inyo, and wow, we're going for a trail run. Alright, let's go! Alright, so yung unang benefit ng pag-trail run is binibigyan nito ang brain natin ng workout, kasi kailangan mong nakafocus sa up and down at saka sa terrain, technical. So it give your brain a workout to focus on what you're running to, diba? Kasi technical, uneven. At pangalawa na benefits ng pagte-trail run is ini-improve nito yung overall fitness level ng bawat runner. So yung core, ini-improve din niya, pinalalakas din niya, tsaka yung leg strength. Kasi kasama dyan yung yung quad sa downhill, tapos yung hamstring, siyempre yung calves, diba? So pinalalakas din niya yung ankle, kasi sa nagiging flexible ito while being straightened, di ba? So overall fitness level nag-improve if you're doing a trail run. All right. At isa pa sa kagandahan ng pagti-trail run is hindi ka nagja-judge ng tao pag naglalakad, lalo na pag uphill. Oh, daming stairs. Ayun o. Alright, so we're walking up at the moment. So ayun na isang kagandahan, pwede ka mag power hike. Right? At isa pang benefits na pagti-trail run is good for our mental health. Kasi hindi lang yung mga greens na nakikita natin, but syempre yung view din. Ayan o, diba? Nakakawala ng stress, depression, at anxiety. Nakakatulong yan. So being in touch with the nature itself, maganda sa ating mental health. So ayan ang isang benefit ng pag-trail run. At isa pa, nakagandahan sa trail running is you're always up for an adventure. Let's go! Woo! Risa, sa mga nagustuhan ko sa pag-trail run is parang as a trail runner, the trail is our own playground. Diba? Ayan yung parang bata ka, pumunta ka sa playground. At sa pinakagusto ko sa pag-trail run, it give you sense of freedom. Kasi malaya ka, gawin mo gusto mo. Paglakad ka, tumakbo ka, magpahinga ka, umupo ka. You know, there's walang walang judgment doon eh. So you're on your own adventure. You're on your own run. You're on your own pace. So hitting the trail, it's fun, it's enjoyable, and para sa akin, I could be myself. So na-express ko yung sarili ko, diba? So ayun ang pinaka gusto ko sa pag-trail run. I can, walk without judgment. Minsan pag may nakasalubong ko, I say hello, diba? And every trail runner is, they don't judge based if you're walking or, you're sitting down on a trail, or you're taking a rest or taking a picture, right? Taking a video, like what I'm doing. Alright, so ayun ang mga kagandahan at mga benefits ng pag-trail running. Okay? All right. So ayun mga guys, ayun yung mga ilang benefits ng pag-trail running. So pang hinihintay nyo, gear up and head for the trail. Create your own adventure. Alright? Alright guys, once again, thank you for supporting and watching the videos. I really appreciate it. Till then, see you again next time.